Hey guys, Sylvia here, and today I have another designer bag unboxing for you guys. So today's bag isn't actually new to my collection. I've had this bag for over a year now. However, I got a brand new one of the same bag. So let me tell you guys about how I got this brand new Louis Vuitton bag pretty much free-ish. Free-ish. If you guys don't want to hear the whole story of how this happened, you can just skip ahead. I'll leave a time mark in the description box below of where you can skip ahead to just watch my unboxing. So last year I bought this bag, and within the first month of using it, I noticed some fraying at the top of the tabs where the little handles go. And I chalked it up to be, you know, wear and tear. I don't really take care of my bags all that well, especially because this bag I wore almost every single day. I brought it traveling with me, so, you know, I was wearing it quite a bit. It would bother me here and there, but it would never bother me like that much. However, just a few weeks ago, I went into Louis Vuitton for other things, and I just so happened to be wearing this bag with me. And the girl there that was helping me was really nice, and you know, I always thought in the back of my mind about the fraying on my bag, but honestly, I'm just such a lazy person that I just like don't care enough to like go bring it in. But since I was wearing it the day, I asked her about it. I'm like, oh, is this like a common occurrence that you see? Is this something that can get fixed? Are you guys able to fix this for me? And I was fully prepared to pay them to fix something for me, because I've brought things to Louis Vuitton before and they have fixed things for me. However, there's always been a fee. So, you know, not that they don't have good customer service, but they definitely are not bending over backwards for anyone. They will charge you a fee if things need to get fixed for the most part. But she was super nice and decided to have a repair assessment on it first. So she took a bunch of photos of the bag and she sent it off to the repair center for assessment. Within 2 or 3 days, she called me back and told me that this is something that Louis Vuitton definitely wanted to take a look at. So I brought my bag back in and gave it to her to ship off. They said it would take about 6 weeks. I believe at that moment she told me that it wouldn't cost me anything to fix because they haven't seen this before and it doesn't seem to be from wear and tear, so that they would just go fix it for me. I believe she shipped off my bag to California. That's where they get things fixed. About a week later, she called me back and she told me that my bag was actually deemed defective, so they wouldn't be fixing it. However, that they would give me a brand new bag free of any extra charges. However, this bag is a waiting list bag. It's almost sold out everywhere. People are on a waiting list for it, and some people wait up to 6 months to get this bag. So she basically gave me free range of whether I want to exchange it for another bag, or I could get the same bag, and she said that she'd be able to basically cut me in front of the waiting line, since, you know, I wasn't trying to rebuy a bag, I just wanted my old bag back. So she told me that she could put me like at number 1 or 2 in the waiting list, just put me above everyone, and I got the bag within the week. She gave me a call and I picked it up today. So now that I have a brand new bag again, and I didn't unbox my bag the first time, I get to unbox it this time. Woo! This kind of worked out in my favor. Thank you for video content, Louis Vuitton. So Louis Vuitton now obviously has this like orangey brown bag instead of the old brown bag that they have with the blue contrast handles, which I actually kind of like better than the brown, although the brown was pretty classic. This is a more fun, modern take to it. So, taking the box out of here. So here is the lovely box. I do, however, like their new boxes because of the magnetic closures. Before, it was just like a lift box, and I just feel like this type of box is a lot more convenient and easy to deal with. And then I will open this up. So you have the bag in the dust bag right here. And of course, inside we have the Palm Springs mini backpack. Da-da-da. Oh, Mio, you like this backpack? You like it? Is it cute? If it's you, you could wear it too, like this. Well, like I mentioned previously, this is a very sought after bag, and some people are on the waiting list for like months until they're able to get it. She offered me any of the new bags. I was actually thinking about getting maybe the black one with the red logo just to like switch it up. I'm like, oh, I've already been wearing this monogram one for a while, like let's switch it up. However, as I thought about it, I didn't feel like I would really get much wear out of the black and red one, because as I thought about it with my closet, I just felt like it wasn't something that I would typically wear. And I knew I didn't want to replace this bag with any other bag because I use this bag so much. It's actually one of my favorite bags. It's the most practical for me. I like that it's fairly casual, it's great for travel, and you can also wear it multiple ways by like, you know, shoulder or crossbody or holding it by the handle or even backpack. It's just such a versatile bag that I knew that I would definitely miss it when I didn't have it. Even the few weeks that it was gone, there was a lot of times where I was like, oh damn it, I really wish I had my Palm Springs mini backpack right now. So that just kind of solidified my decision to get this bag back again. So for you guys that have never seen this backpack before, it has a small pocket in the the front right here. This is where I typically keep my like hand sanitizers, mints, little stuff like that fit in this little pocket. And then of course there's the main compartment. In here right now I just have the strap, so I'll take that out. In here I have the LV, I don't even know what this is. Oh, it just talks about proper care. So it's just a fairly large compartment here, and then there's a little small back pocket right here where you can kind of, I don't know, I put like little tissues and stuff, gum and stuff in there. The thing I love about this bag is that it fits so much and it looks quite small on me actually. My goal for bags is to find bags that look small but fit a lot. That's why I really love my YSL Lulu with all the embellishments, because it doesn't look super big, but it fits so much in there. People look at it and think that this backpack is stupidly small, but it fits so much. Trust me, I carry a lot, and if I'm telling you that me as a person who carries extra amount of stuff can fit everything into this backpack, then like the regular person will find this very spacious. So they come with adjustable straps that you can put either on just these two top portions here, so you just snap it right on here. And you can wear it like, you know, on your shoulder or cross body. The thing that I love about these straps is A, they are adjustable, so you can just pull here to adjust. And I love that this part allows 360 swiveling so that you don't have to worry about your bag, you know, being the wrong way, like the strap twisting, because it doesn't matter, it'll always untwist itself. And then alternatively, you can turn it into a backpack by putting the two straps on. So you put like that here, and then this down here, and then it can be worn as a backpack. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. So when I was talking about the frame, it was on these tabs right here. So these tabs that hold the metal hooks, the sides of them had like strings coming out of it. So like on this side and this side of it, there was just like threads coming out of both sides, and it was fraying with lots of threads sticking out. So I really hope that the fraying does not happen to me again, because I truly love this bag. It's one of my favorite bags that I've ever purchased, and if you guys are looking into purchasing this bag, I definitely recommend it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment below if you do, and give me a thumbs up if you want to see more unboxings, and I'll talk to you guys in the next. Bye!